Alright guys, we are heading to restaurant. We'll see what restaurant we're gonna go to, but I'm kinda hungry for Thai, so we might go to a Thai restaurant. They're probably like a mile from here, from our place. So we're gonna go ahead and drive down there. Sunset is just about ready to set up. Very pretty. And it's starting to get chilly, so I will see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, we ending up coming back here, Best Thai. We were here last year and we went to the other restaurant. The other restaurant seems to be not clean and they don't have people in there. So we decided to come over here. We also tried the other Thai restaurant nearby and it looks like they are closed. So we decided to just come over here and they're open until 9 o'clock tonight. So I ordered tom yum soup and Jackie ordered mango delight, and of course we had a chicken satay, of course one of the favorite every time we go to Thai restaurant. Alright guys, we're done eating. We're hungry than we thought, especially me. I didn't think I was that hungry. But anyway, the food is really good as always. And it's about 8 o'clock, 10 minutes after 8 o'clock p.m. here. And it's April 2nd today. April 2nd. So we're done eating here and we're gonna go back to our room. So I'll see you guys later. If you have not subscribed, please like and subscribe and ring that bell. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Alright guys, it's Sunday today, April the 3rd, and we are heading out. We're gonna go back home. We're gonna do that as soon as possible. Today we're not gonna be able to go around the area because we heard a snow forecast today, so we need to get home. We're going up over the mountain, so usually a lot of snow over the mountain, so we want to make sure that we get there before the snow comes. So guys, I will see you guys later. We just had a breakfast. I just got done shower and we're gonna go for a little bit of short of walking here for a little bit before we checked out. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Guys, we are going for a walk and it's a little bit chilly in here this morning. The wind is blowing hard. Yes. We can tell rain is coming in. Rain and snow. Of course, if it's lower level, it's rain. If it's the higher level, which is we're gonna be earlier going up to the mountain, so it's gonna be snow up there. So we're trying to leave here as soon as we can There still have a lot of people in here, you know, going for a walk. This is a very nice area to go for a walk every day. You know, it helps, you know, exercise, especially in the morning. It's very good. So hi Jackie.
Hi.
All right. So there's some people flying the kites. Some kids. Yeah. Yeah, because of the wind is blowing really hard. Look at the waves, guys. Look at those waves. You don't want to get closer to that because that waves will suck you in. And we do have a few accidents here at the coast that they're standing on the rocks and then all of a sudden that wave just hits them and suck them in. Alright, so I'll see you guys later.